Past Cold Creek by Big Lake, there's a cabin of logs and a husky old trapper out a-hitching his dogs. It's 12 miles to the railroad where the steel rails are bound, where the grizzled old trappers...
Ready? Yeah. Pull. Woo! Pull. Son of a bitch!
...will gather in town. From Buckland and Battlesbrooks, Mountain and Nome, from Anvik and Nugnak, wherever is home. By dog team or snow machine or ski plane they do head southbound to the big town and the fur rendezvous. And it's mush, mush down 4th Avenue, when the Yukon she's a frozen and the Koyukuk-too. From Naknek, Tuntatuliaknik, Kobuka they do head inbound to the big town and the fur rendezvous. Up Slocum.
Son of a bitch. Alright, I like the intensity. It's a decent break, not a very good leave though. You weren't playing much defense.
The kitchen sink needs fixing, the barn is falling down, the paint is... Peeling off the walls, we need supplies from town. The hay is lying on the ground, the beans don't look so good, and I'd do something about it if I really thought I should. But there's so much tequila and there's so little time. I'm a busy man, you know, with so much on my mind. Working is a luxury which I must decline, because there's so much tequila and there's so little time.